Pauwi na kami ng Virginia. Today is January 12. So, ang tagal ng bakasyon namin sa New York. Mga 30 minutes na kami nag-drive. Nag-drive ba ako? Yan, 30 minutes na kami sa daan. And papunta kami sa Burgers at Fries.
Take the Amboy Avenue exit toward New Jersey 440.
Okay, in 2 miles.
Take Amboy Avenue. 440 North, 35 North.
So, pupunta kami doon dahil gutom na kami. So, wala naman, walang Buffalo Wild Wings sa aming dadaanan. Kaya dito kami dadaan. Honey, what's this bridge? Ha? Olive Bridge. I don't know. Ano? Ayan guys, the bridge. That's the bridge. This is the bridge. So, tingnan nyo ang aming gamit sa likod. Welcome to New Jersey. Oh, this is the bridge. New Jersey and the New York. Okay. Connecting New York and New Jersey. Okay. What happened? Traffic. Oh my God, traffic. Sa kanya yung nagkakalapit-lapit lang yung mga guys, yung mga sasakyan. Pero gumagana pa. Traffic na yun sa kanya. Traffic na. So the baby is sleeping over here, guys. The mister is driving. And I'm here, the vlogging. Oh my God, I still have a lot of videos from last year that I haven't edited. Oh my God, guys, I'm so lazy editing my videos. So, ayun pala, kailan ko sila ma-update. Actually, meron pa mga videos from last 2018, 2019. Hindi ko na sila na-upload. Nasa phone ko na lang sila. Actually, in-upload ko sila sa aking Facebook para kahit ma-delete sila sa aking phone is meron na akong backup. So, yun lang. Mamaya na guys. Maingay. Di ko alam kung naririnig nyo ako. At ang... And guys, look! Oh my God, the North America. We're expecting a big storm snow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Minnesota. So beautiful, but it's so malamig. Good morning, hayan. Kakagising lang namin. Ako kanina pa, si baby, hayan, kakagising lang niya. And good morning and good afternoon na pala. Kasi magto-12 noon na dito. Ayan, 11:40. So, sa labas, hindi pa siya ganon. Hindi pa nag-snow, guys. And today is Friday. And we're expecting the big storm of snow on Sunday. So, kailangan na namin... So, kailangan namin talagang mamili ng pagkain later. Tomorrow, Saturday, maybe at night, dun na darating yung snow. Parang, siya to, parang bagyo siya. Kung baga sa Pinas, parang yung bagyong yung last na bagyo, yung madami nasira, ganun. Pero dito, guys, snow, yellow siya. So, sasama ko kayo pag nag-snow na. Papakita ko sa inyo everyday. Tomorrow, papakita ko pa rin sa inyo kung ano yung ating weather forecast. So, yan ang gulo-gulo pa ng bahay. Hindi pa ako talaga nakakapaglinis talaga. Actually, hindi pa ako nakapag-unpack ng aming mga gamit from New York. Kasi ba naman, guys, ganito ba naman nakakita ng aking baby boy? Ibitawan mo ba yan? Hindi. Look at that. What happened? Why are you showing me your look? Please, yummy. One more? What that face? Look, let me see. You're done. Naman. So, yun nga, guys. And also, kahapon, yung pinaka-agenda kong ginawa kahapon is yung asikasuhin yung papers ni Ate Alex. Kasi nasa NBC na siya sa Manila. So, parang super lapit ko. So, yan. Nasa NBC na siya sa Manila. So, I've sending all the documents and I sent all the documents and yung final ko na rin yung mga DS-260 stuff like that kasi immigrant, not non-immigrant, okay? There's a difference of non-immigrant. Yung mga non-immigrant, yung mga pupunta lang dito, yung parang wala pa siya lang ties dito sa US na magiging na magiging US citizen, stuff like that, or local permanent address, local permanent, stuff like that. So, ganun yung non-immigrant. And yung immigrant, yung mga talagang pagdating nila dito, meron na silang ties, yung pwede sa immigrant, and maging permanent, stuff like that. And yun nga. Bakit pinag-usapan natin is weather now, napunta na tayo sa email. So, yun lang guys. Ayan, ang aking baby boy. We're watching the news now. Actually, I'm having my coffee here. And daddy is outside. I think he left already. Kasi, kailangan... Ay, yun, yung pala. Kaya ako nagising. Actually, nagigising ako 12. Kasi kakatulog ko lang ng 4. 4:30 yata yun. Ewan ko, 5 na yata yun. So, nagising ako ng 11. Ginising ako ni daddy because... magpatulong siyang mag-i-align yung snowplow. Kasi kailanganin siya on Sunday. Kasi guys, sa business namin, we need to plow the snow. Doon, tama. To plow the snow. Kasi, kasama siya sa, ba't naman nabablanko ako? Kasama siya sa, yun. Kasama siya doon. Lagi ko lang yung paglaisip ko na. Oh my god, I'm the baby boy and mag-i-edit ako ulit. Oh my goodness, ang dami kong vlog, ang dami kong videos, and hindi ba sila na-edit lang? Oh my goodness, kung hindi lang nasasapak, hindi lang napupuno yung aking memory, hindi pa ako nag-i-edit. Ano yan? So, I'm really darkest over here. Ang gulo ng bahay. We need, actually, we need carpet here or rag para hindi siya ganun kalamig kay baby. And also, pag naglakad-lakad na siya, actually, ngayon ang lagalala niya sa guys. 7 months na siya. Alam niyo ba yung lalakad na niya? Walker. Ay, walker. Ang bilis niya maglakad ng walker. Kasi nakatulong niya, no, yung jump, guys. Nakapagpa-strong siya ng kanyang knees. And also, nung nilagay namin siya sa... Oh my goodness! Hindi siya naglalakad. Tumatakbo. Oh my God. Diba? So, yun lang. Oh, ayan ang aking baby boy. So handsome. Diba? So handsome. Oh my God. Sinong nasabing hindi? Punta kayo dito. Sapakan tayo. Sapakan. So, yun lang muna kay Abe for now. And later, maybe, hindi ko alam ano gagawin ko. Maybe, I'm gonna call my credit card number. Credit card. Because I have stuff that I purchased before that I need to dispute. Because I got scam. I love you. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so quick haul lang po yung mga na-receive namin last holidays and New Year's. So, kasi kami nagsa-celebrate ng Christmas. So, yung mga friends namin and family, nagsa-celebrate sila. So, kahit wala kaming binigay sa kanila guys, so binigyan nila kami ng gift. So, generous. Our friend, actually, ang dami niya binigay kay baby. Hindi ko sure kung nasan na yung mga yun. Pero ito binigay niya kami ng, ayan, pang ano lang, blanket slash. Pag halimbawa nasa sasakyan, so ito pwede siyang gamitin. Or kahit nasa couch ka. Look at this. Binigyan pa kami, ayan guys, yung mother and baby. So, itatago ko to. Kasi si Mr. Di talaga kami nagsasakyan. And ito, may candy pa. Ginger and coconut candies. Actually, ang sarap. Masarap siya, guys. And then, ito is from Grabe. She gave me this one. So, this is cream. Ayan, hand cream siya, guys. Ang social na hand cream, Ayan. Try natin, guys. Mabango siya. Ayan, ang cute ng this one. Ito kay baby boy. Ito, gift ni Juliana and her mom, Alex. Ayan, ito gift nila to sa kanya. And ito pa. Ayan, si Coco Melon. Ito, gift niya nung holidays. No New Year. Ito, galing pa pala to kay Miss Teresa. Ayan. Sa aming friend. And then ito is from my sister, Dorothy. So, she gave me this one. Ayan. Bracelet siya, guys. But it has me. Everything falls into place when you believe. Ito is from Irene, husband's niece. Ayan. Binigay niya to sa akin. Gave me this one. Ayan. This perfume. So good. Ang bango niya. I bought this, guys. I bought this Bath and Body Works. Mabango itong lotion na to. Meron pa ako yung isa, yung purple. Ang bango niya. Cucumber and melon. And yung isa ko, yung nasa bedroom. Ito guys is binili ko from Macy for myself. Ayan, guess. Ayan, ano siya, guess na bracelet. Bracelet. And another one I bought for myself is this bebe. Bebe! Bebe, bakit? So this is watch. I bought myself watch because I deserve it. You know guys, I deserve it. May dalawa siyang, ang tawag dito, yung parang, nakabak pa rin siya. Hindi ko siya mabuksan guys, kasi, ba't na ako? Kasi, ayan o, yung papasok mo yung kamay mo, and then, ilalak mo siya gano'n. So, ayun siya. It's rose gold. I bought it for myself. And then, what else? Wala na to. Ano to yung mga paper bag. And then, I bought this for baby Nicolas. Ayan. Jacket siya, guys. Jacket. Ayan. Ang cute nito kasi nakita ko siya. Ang cute ni baby dito, diba? Look at that. Ang kinuha ko na, guys, is pang 24 months, 2 years old. So, kasi mabilis lumaki yung mga baby. Kaya ito, kinuha ko na siya. Actually, ang original price nito is $90. And then, meron silang 50% off, which is $45. And then, ginamit namin yung card nung niece ni Mr. si Alex. So, nakales pa kami ng 10%. So, diba? Nakuha lang namin siya for $33.75. Pero mahal pa rin. Pero okay na to guys. Kasi kailangan ni baby yung makakapal na jacket. Meron siya dito, yung pang 18 months. Pero parang maliit na sa kanya. Diba? Lalo na pag halimbawa na tanong kanya. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung haul natin. Yun lang. What else? Ito yung mga chocolates. Pinakita ko na yata to. Ayan guys, mga chocolates. And yun lang muna. Yun lang muna. Bye! Hi guys, good morning. Good afternoon na. Ba't lagi ko sinasabing good morning? Kasi kakagising ko lang pero afternoon na. So ayan. We're about to leave. Pero guys, naplatan kami. Plat. Hindi pantay sa sasakyan. So, plat kami guys. So, today is Saturday. And tomorrow we're expecting for the big snow. And today, we're about to buy foods. In case for 2 days, hindi makauwi si Mr. And, you know, yung daan dito is wavy. Not wavy. Palikuli ko kasi bundok guys. Bundok dito. So, yon. Mamimili kami ngayon ng foods and also some errands. And we're trying to buy some cars for me. We're still looking. Ang hirap maghanap ng car that fits me. Kasi gusto ko guys, yung parang SUV yung dating. Kasi we're always going on a vacation, like going to New York. And sometimes we're going to Florida. Yun lang naman yung mga pinupuntahan namin guys na malayuan talaga. Paalis na kami. Ayun, nasa road na kami because ayun, tapos nang magawa ang aming tires. Ay, Mr.
Hello.
And the baby boy is at the back. Hi guys, yung first stop namin is sa post office. So, kinuha lang namin yung some checks. And now, second stop namin is nandito kami ngayon sa Supercut. Pero si Mr. na lang yung bumaba kasi siya lang yung nagpaano. So, nandito kami sa Supercut. Ayan yung Supercut. So, nandito lang kami sa car. Because the baby is sleeping and I don't wanna wake him up just to go inside. And then, parang hassle yun. Hassle para sa akin yung you bring the baby inside and go to the car, put the seatbelt on, and then stuff like that. So, I'm just waiting him here. He's been there for 2 seconds. So, yun lang. Balitaan ko kayo kung ano yung mga gawin namin later. So, like what I said yesterday, yeah, so we're going to supermarket to get some food stuff. My emergency. I heard some. If ever, I'm gonna bring you inside the store. Hi. J. Phillips getting
there.
some little hair. Some air. I'm gonna pull of it, and we're going to Sonic.
15 years and I've told not to do it.
This is how to order at Sonic. Ayan. Drive-in lang. Drive-in. And then yan. We're going to order. Ooh, we have flowers. And look, it fits. Good driver. Okay, what you gonna order?
A double hamburger.
My order is...
I thought you were gonna eat Taco Bell.
Hey, it's better getting here than going to another one. That's all they have. Maybe crispy tender. Alright, the lady give it to us. Okay, this is it. See the dogs. I thought it's chicken. Chicken. Taste test. This is hard. Guys, now we're here at Walmart. Bumili lang tayo ng mga kakainin natin. Kakainin. Yes, run out guys. Look, wala na mga patatas. Mga salad, wala na. Oh my goodness. Kasi nga guys, magkakaroon kami ng big storm. Big snow storm. Kaya ayan. Halos wala. Need to buy bagels. Yeah. Kailangan natin bumili ng tinapay dahil tinapay makakain mo siya kahit di luto. Oh, gum. Hey guys, ayan, nakarating na kami sa sasakyan galing ng Walmart. Halos wala na silang food kasi anong oras na rin kami, gabi na. Ngayon, ginabi na nga kami. So, wala nang nakaano. Wala na guys. Wala. Wow naman! You can get up now! Look at this baby boy! He can manage to get up! Oh my god! Where are you? Are you hiding? Hey, oh my love! I'm so proud of you! I'm so proud of my baby boy! Good morning guys! Good morning! Good morning again. They're afternoon na. 12 o'clock na. So, ayan! Ito guys, look! Snowing. Ay, kita. Wait lang. Look, it's so white and ayan, ang cute. Ang cute ng first na ulan ng snow. Gusto nyo lumabas? Oh my god! Ayan guys, so lamig. Look at this na. Eyes. Lamig. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, short lang ako. Lamig. Ooh, so lamig. Yeah, it's a baby boy. Yeah. Ooh, look at my hair. It's raining. It's raining now. Good morning, and as usual, good afternoon na dahil afternoon tayo nagigising. And ayan, tumigil na ang ulan, so this is another day. Kahapon, nagsimula yung rain ng snow and ngayon lang siya natapos and yun. Kami lang ni baby boy yung nandito. Si Mr. guys, hindi siya nakauwi kasi parang kasama to sa work na kailangan i-flow yung mga property ng mga customers. So, huwag na natin muna pag-usapan. Hindi ko masyadong kabisabi yung mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, for now, papakita ko sa inyo ang snow, kung gano'n siya kataas. And actually, siguro natunaw na to kasi anong oras na tayo nagising. Kasi anong oras tayo natulog. Ano lang yun. And now, ayan, papakita ko na sa inyo, guys. Look! Look at guys. So, oh, yellow siya. Yellow talaga, oh. Oh, lamig. Look at that, guys. Aww. Oh my goodness. Wala pa yung jacket ko. Kailangan ko mag-jacket, guys. So, siguro mga nasa, ano siya, mga nasa 2 feet or 3 feet yan, guys. Look. Ayan, so white. Ito, guys, ang pinaka, for now, ito yung pinaka, madaming snow na nakita ko here, myself. Dito sa Virginia. Gagawa tayo ng snowman. And bago natin gawin ng snowman, ay, tignan nyo guys. Yellow talaga siya. Titikman natin. Baliw. Tignan natin ang yellow. Yellow. Yellow lang siya guys. Water. So white. Napaka white naman. Pumasok muna ako. Ay, nako. Nung una, guys, pinaniniglan ko pa yung snow. Ngayon, hindi na masyado. Diba? So, ngayon, magagawa lang tayo ng coffee. Matilis na pala yun. Nilinis ko na pala ang aking coffee. Neko. Gagawa lang tayo ng coffee para mamaya, pagdating natin sa loob, habang gumagawa tayo ng snowman. So, hindi tayo malamigin. Parang nalamig na yung dito, guys. Parang ang bigat. Ang bigat ng lamig. Hindi ko sure kung makakagawa ako ng snowman, pero I try my best. Kasi guys, ako lang mag-isa dito. Kasi baby boy. Wala akong kasama. I hope makagawa kami ng snowman. I hope nandito na si Ate Alex. So, is with her. Because for sure, hindi natin ito magagawa na with Mr. Kasi si Mr. guys, nag-work. Kailangan niya kasing i-plow yung mga customer property. Yan. Yan kasi. Kasama yun sa work. Hi guys! So, gagawa na tayo ng snowman. Wait lang guys, magpapatuloy natin siya mamaya. Look at the pool guys. Ayun yung pool natin. So, puno siya ng snow. And actually, nag-ice na yan. So, look here. Diba may step tayo dito? Sana na yung step. Nasaan na yung step? Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. Parang labo naman. Yan. Look at the guys. Ayan o. So white talaga. So, gusto kong i-try yung butterfly. Butterfly. Gusto ko siyang try. Ayan, nagkaroon na ng daan. Pero kahapon walang daan yan. Kanina umaga wala rin. So, ngayon, nilagyan na nila ng daan. Kanina wala yan guys. Pero, napaka-delikado yan kasi icy yan. And also, delikado dito kasi nga bundok. Tayo na. Hindi na ako sure. One of my dreams. Ayan, makagawa tayo ng butterfly sa snow. Look at that guys, so cute. Kita ba? Parang hindi kita.
Ayan, trinawihan ko na guys para kita nyo na nakakaya naman, diba?
Super lamig guys. Pasok na tayo. Lamig yung kamay ko. I forgot my gloves. Iniwan ko si baby boy sa loob kasi malamig sa labas. Kaya ako siya magkakagat naman guys. Hi! Bulas. Yun. Isa yun sa mga dream ko yung makagawa ng icy. Kaso hindi ko siya nagagawa before guys kasi pag mag-snow dito, parang lang, konti lang. Ngayon lang talaga yung pinakamadami yung snow. Natuma siya ng 2 feet, ganyan. Pero before, hindi siya nagiging ganyan, guys. At least nagawa ko na yung one of my birthdays. Yan, guys. Yun lang. Hingal ako. Hi guys, this is another day. So, ayan, meron pa rin tayong snow sa labas. Ayan guys, pero huminto na siya. Huminto na yung pag-ulan ng snow. Pero, as usual, andyan pa rin yan at matagal pa bago matunaw yan pag halimbawa hindi pa nagbababa yung temperature. So, for now, eto, nagluto lang ako. Nag-crave ako ng pansit. So, I make pansit. Ayan guys, hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo kasi madali lang naman gawin yun. Lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, sagli lang. Sagli lang! Ayan ang ating pansit. So, wala akong kalamansi. Pero ito, meron akong kalamansi na nasa bote. Kaso, konti na lang siya, guys. Ayan, nagmamakaawa na siya. Sa mga kamag-anak ko, sa mga friends ko dyan, padala nyo naman ako. So, ayan, meron tayong mga, ito. Ayan, nagluto din ako ng spring roll. Actually, yung spring roll na to, I mean, ang tawag ito, Shanghai na ito, lumpiang Shanghai na ito is, matagal ko na siya ginawa. Kaso, marami yan yung ginawa ko. Then, sinode ko siya, tapos prinosen ko siya. Tapos, every time na mag-crave ako ng lumpia, so, prito-prito na lang. Ganon, di ba? So, yun lang gamang muna yung ating update. And also, kakain na muna ako. Si baby, eto lang yung ginawa ko sa kanya. Eto, yung pumpkin na, ang tawag ito, yung Gerber na pumpkin vegetable. Nilagyan ko siya lang, napapalito yung dila ko. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng oatmeal and then, ininit ko siya, yan, minix ko lang siya para naman hindi lang pumpkin yung kinakain niya. Meron din siyang carbs. Diba? Utak-utak lang, utakan natin ang baby natin. So, yun lang guys. Bye for now! Baby boy, get up! Get up! Yes, get up! Get up! Come on! Get up! Get up! Yeah, you can do it! You can do it! You can do it! Smells purple. Come on! Get up, baby boy! Oops! Oh, you're gonna fall over there! I'm gonna fall! Gonna fall! Kapag baseball ba mo? Gonna fall! Up, 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 up. What happened? What happened? I ordered from Amazon, so open lang natin. Ayan. Pakabalot pa nila. Ayan siya, guys. Hindi maano sila. So, may tree pa siyang yung sa kamay at sa paa. Guys, ayan. Ang cute. Hindi siya maantog dito. Ayan, guys. Susubukan na natin. And that's what it look like to him. The baby boy. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Love. Hello, Nicholas. Come on. Come on, Nicholas. Come. 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 Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, come on.
with them. I want to say it. Come on up in town. We'll pay the pizza. You gonna stop me? Don't say I ain't gonna say you, except using your head for bowling for dollars. Rub off, Skinhead. I'm looking.
There you are.
Nothing recently. So long, sucker.
Wow, who's dancing over here? Favorite. His favorite. Baby sensor with the broccoli. That's his favorite. Oh my goodness, look at that face. You can buy that face. Look at that. How happy you are, baby love. Ooh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Look at that face. Guys, ay wala tayong ice. Kuha na lang tayo ng ice sa labas. Free ice. So, di ba? Free ice. Free ice. Kuha tayo dito. Ay, ang lamig. It's cold. Cold. It's cold. Ay, madumi siya. Tayo ko. Guys, na malinis-linis. Dito tayo. Ayan, guys. Tanggalin na natin yung mga dumi-dumi. Yun. Look at the eyes. Ay, may dumi siya. Pray natin. Look at the eyes. Ayan. O, diba? One more. Ayan. So, yan. Okay. So, guys, ayan ang ating eyes. Ooh, cocks. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. This is our breakfast for today. Ayan, we have egg with cheese and pepper, salt, little bit of pepper, English muffin with butter on top, and I have my coffee here. Cool moms have cool kids, and this is the baby's food. This is squash, pumpkin, and water, and this is the baby food. Gonna eat, baby boy? Oh, he's hungry. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, try it. Try the pumpkins. It's too hot. Oops! You hold it. Put it in your mouth. There you are, pumpkin. There you are, yummy. I didn't put the bibs or the thing in here, guys, kasi papalitin ko rin yung damit niya. Where's the baby boy?
That saucisson was aged for 6 months and cured in a small village
There
of
you.
the Pyrenees. A steam of the Dad, if you want to wait outside. Great, what he's missing is.
Come on, love. Come.
Now for a difficult one. Firm.
Is it from Gauchon?
You are good, Dr. Grabe.
The regular cheese whiz.
I'll take a half a pound of the reblochon.
You eating?
Well, you know, you're a little, forgetting for me, so I happen to be a happily married man.
Married?
To a woman?
Of course, to a woman. You all have been mentioned Deb. Well, how often have I said I must be running along now? Deb will be waiting.
We thought Deb was your cat.
She is not a cat. She's Miss.
Yes. Oh my god. Nicholas, where is mommy? Nicholas. Nicholas.
Good job. Here, give me a listen.
Very cool, right? He's a bounty hunter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch
Well,
it.
she got became a
This is
bounty
mine.
You know who his best buddy is?
No, I don't
He
want.
gave him like a.
This is mine.
Who decorated him?
Wanna share?
And then I think he told Biden. To go over there as an
Wanna share?
ambassador.
He's so happy.
He was the same way I shoot like Dennis Rodman. Some people go over to South Korea. The South Korean guy like Dennis Rodman. Guy from the
We
Pistons.
got that guy's
There you
wacko.
are.
Who's gonna take that guy?
He's so happy.
No,
He's a wacko. I wouldn't take him serious.
Hi guys, it's my horror. And
Yeah, Granby.
guys,
What?